Chance Fletcher. Today I will show you how to remove the orifice tube and put one back in. The first thing you want to do, recover all the refrigerant, which we've already done with the machine. So the first step you're going to do is take this clip off, slide this on, pull this off. When you do that, you make sure you replace those O-rings also. Now you're going to use the recovery tool. Slide this in like so. That's how you remove this. Is the orifice tube. That's how you recover it. Alright, now you see the difference between an old and used orifice tube that needs to be replaced and a brand new one. And the one that needs to be replaced, notice the aluminum shavings that came from the compressor. That's one of the main things that will clog up the orifice tube. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put the new orifice tube in. Make sure you guys go in the right direction. Make sure you guys got nice O-rings in there. Put it back in. Go ahead and make it nice and snug. Line back up. There you go. See, that's nice and tight. Now you can vacuum test and recharge the system.